cool. Yes, I can imagine that there's a lot of food too because of the whole
Yeah,
fasting.
it's like a large table. You can see like, wow, can I have that?
Wow, that's
Okay, you
awesome.
need to take a taxi to get to get to that dish.
That's
Hello,
good. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. I'm Eliza. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Eliza.
We're
Na-
yes, or
You've
Eliza.
got
I
such a
get both.
beautiful name.
Ah, thank you so much. Where are you from? Ahmed.
Yeah, I'm from Iraq.
Oh, okay. That's cool. So you speak Arabic?
Yeah, my
Yeah.
my native language is Arabic.
Oh, okay. Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Good job.
Yes,
Good
that's all I
job.
know. Well, I have some more that are written down, but that's the only one that I actually remember.
I bet you know more than Assalamu alaikum. You know the other word.
I know inshallah.
See?
Everybody says that, like all my students that speak Arabic, like will be talking in English, and then they'll out of nowhere just say inshallah, and then they'll go back to English. So I ended up learning it. So
um,
you just finished Ramadan?
yeah, we finished Ramadan and it was like the quickest Ramadan I have ever seen.
The what?
The
The
quickest,
quickest?
the
Oh, the
quickest
quickest, really?
Ramadan. Yeah, because
Oh, I know Eid, something like that.
Eid,
The party, it's called
Eid.
Eid. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It's 3 days of celebration.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. But why do you think it went so quick?
Because thankfully the weather was like great. The temperature was about 20 or less than 20, which is good for Iraqi people here because we used to get hot temperatures like maybe like 50, 52. It's really hot.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's why we didn't feel like thirsty.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Yeah, it
That's
is.
cool. So for your parties, like the whole family usually goes, neighbors, everything like that.
Sorry.
For the party, the whole family goes, all the neighbors, everyone, everything like that. They just go.
Yeah,
And you
yeah,
guys
and yeah,
eat
and
so
yeah, and
much.
in Eid, yeah, you can see like all people like hang around, going to the malls, to public parks. Some people they are visiting their like relatives in another cities in Iraq. Some people they have this big celebration, like a big gathering, families like uncles, aunties, like dad and mom, cousins.
Everyone.
Yeah, big
That's
meals.
cool. Yes, I can imagine that there's a lot of food too because of the whole
Yeah,
fasting.
it's like a large table. You can see like, wow, can I have that?
Wow, that's
Okay, you
awesome.
need to take a taxi to get to get to that dish.
That's good. I mean, you guys get to eat, make up for all the food that you guys couldn't eat during the fasting. That's cool. That's all I know. Eat,
We
yes.
need to make it up.
Yes, exactly. You guys need to make up for the lack of,
The
eating in the fast.
eating exactly. Yeah, exactly.
But yes, but cool. So I actually like the hot. You were talking about it being too cold, it not
Sorry,
being hot, which was
your voice is breaking up. I couldn't hear you.
okay. I'm gonna say it again. If it breaks again, let me know.
Okay.
But basically, you were talking about how it was good that it wasn't too hot. But I actually like the hot. I do not like the cold at all.
Yeah.
Like right now, I'm actually in Brazil at the moment, and it's
Yeah.
23, and I'm like dying. Like it's so cool.
Uh-huh. In Brazil. So which part in Brazil are you in?
I'm in a state called São Paulo.
São Paulo. Uh-huh. Okay.
You know São
Interesting.
Paulo?
Of
Very
course,
popular.
I have many Brazilian friends from Brazil, like Natal, São Paulo. The other
Yes,
part of
Natal is
Brazil.
beautiful.
You know how like are you original from Brazil?
I was born, like, I was actually born in Florida in
Okay.
America, but my mom and dad, they're both from Brazil. So
Hmm.
I used to always come to Brazil. And then my dad he's good now, but my dad went through some medical treatments, like he had
Hmm.
like a surgery and everything. So I actually moved here in September, last September. Kind of just to be close, during this phase.
Yeah.
So I'm actually living here, but prior to that, I used to come like all the time because my whole family is here. My grandma, my cousins, everybody. So I learned the language. I learned how to speak Portuguese. I learned a lot about the culture. So I'm technically a Brazilian. I feel like I'm very, very much Brazilian.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. But so the whole family's here. So that's
Hmm.
why
You know what I
I
learned
know.
from my Brazilian friends? I learned when they want to text each other, and when they want to laugh, they just write this letter like K,
Okay.
K,
Okay. Yes.
you know.
Exactly. They just put k k k k k k. K.
So
I
I
think it's
started
supposed to be like the, you know?
exactly. So every time I get to know a new Brazilian friend, I keep like chatting with him, and then we start laughing, and then I forgot myself because okay, it's a Brazilian, so let's do that. So wow, how do you know that? And you're Iraqi. I said, oh, this is my little secret.
How do you guys do it in Iraq, like in Arabic? How do you guys write the laughing? Is it just ha ha ha?
H, yeah, H
Oh,
A,
H A.
yeah, just like
Oh,
everybody
okay.
else, yeah.
We're just the only weird ones.
We- but it's so funny. Like
Yes.
you're different, unique.
Yes, that's so true. And in Brazil, like, just Brazilians in general, we're very like, we like to hug, like we like to be close. Americans, at least, they're more like handshakes and like personal space.
Uh-huh.
So I love of that about the culture here. Like we're just like funny people,
Exactly. Yeah,
very
they are
caring.
so friendly. Yeah, and like
Yes.
yeah, they are like my friends. Actually, I like they became like my closest friends. Like I'm chatting with them more than I chat with my local friends. Can you believe
Yeah.
it? Can you believe
How did
that
you how
we
did
got
you even
along?
meet them?
Through like exchanging languages groups.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah,
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, we're very friendly. Especially when there's like, if you ever came to Brazil one day, everybody is gonna be like, Ahmed, Ahmed. Like, we love like new people and like different people and like tourists. Like,
yeah.
everybody's like, not everybody, I don't want to generalize, but most of the people are very, very welcoming. So if you
I-
ever come to Brazil, like, you're gonna be very well. I hope, inshallah, you're gonna be
Inshallah.
very well
See,
treated.
you're learning. Good job.
See, exactly. That's so